Hello and welcome to another update video about Bloktopia. I was asked to do another update video and happy to do so because I really like Bloktopia, the ecosystem, the evolving one, and the projects and the partners. So really bullish on Bloktopia. Been bullish since I heard about this project at 3.5 cents, made you aware, and now we're at 10.5 cents nearly. I mean, we already were at 18 cents. Obviously dropped quite significantly from that. Also because we had all these tokens being thrown in the market, but now these are being bought up, more partnerships being announced, and yeah, we're going through the FIB levels like nothing here. Now we have a retracement currently, and just would like to assure you that in my view, this is completely, well, part of the bullish move here that we have, because what you have down here is the beginning of a wave 1, 2, 3, which we completed, 4, and then a 5 in the next move, probably. That's what I see here. And what we can also see is that we are currently retracing here. Let me just show you of that last bullish move here. These FIB levels here that I can draw from the low here at around 6 cents to the top of the last move. So there you go, and we're retracing to this key level. Let me just make sure I've got the lower end right here. Just don't wanna, right, yeah, and there. So we're retracing here currently to the 0.382 FIB level at around 9.5 cents. So we could come down to around 9.5 cents in my view. That is the 0.382 FIB level of that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 move to the upside of that 1, 2, 3 move. That means we're now in a wave 4 to the downside. In a wave 4, you tend to come back to that 0.382 FIB level. Yeah, that is the most likely one you would come down to at 9.5 cents. So I wouldn't be surprised to drop below 10 cents. I would use, if you know, I don't buy anymore at the moment because I've bought quite a lot. But if I was to buy, I would probably buy at the 9.5 cent level. If I then see another green candle emerging, that would confirm the next move to the upside. I mean, we already came really close to it at around 9.5. So meaning that we could come a little bit lower. That wouldn't be necessarily a problem. That would also be still support here on this ascending trend line. And if we take that small FIB out here, and take a look at the larger FIBs here of the first major move here, basically from the low to the top, then we can see that key support here was at 9.7 cents, and this is the 0.618 FIB level of that major move here to the downside. And these FIB levels then going forward tend to, because it's the main one here, they tend to provide resistance and support as well. So this has worked out again very well, these FIB levels, and also coming down to that ascending trend line. So again, you've got this confluence of factors here that tell me we might have already seen the low, or we come down at just a little bit more before we now then move up. And I would expect further resistance here at 12.8 cents. And, I would expect us to climb above that next FIB level, hopefully, or at least get to it in the next move. And then we're actually close to all-time high in terms of where the candles closed, because the highest point where we had a daily candle close was up here at around 13.7 cents. We're actually not far away from that. I mean, on that day here, on these 2 days, we were higher, but the candles didn't close above that level. So yeah, we actually came all the way up to 18 cents nearly. But it's really good to see that we're nearly, basically at this key level where those candles closed. And I think that's really, really good. And I think we're looking really bullish here. I mean, look at the chart. It's looking really good. I mean, this was an overshooting, definitely, absolutely overextended here, overbought. But on the daily, we are not overbought anymore. We get a buy signal here on the daily, on the daily RSI. Yeah, we're not overbought. We're currently sitting at 58 cents. 58 on the RSI, not 58 cents. The MACD we are going to get here probably in the next move up. We're going to get a day signal, it's still early here in the UK, a buy signal on the daily MACD. And as we're going to cross here bullish, where the blue line, the MACD line, is to cross above the indicator line, that's going to be bullish and a potential buy signal. And we're also again above the 20-day moving average here in teal, which is currently running at 9 cents. So that would be support as well. Should we really lose that next fib level here at 9.7 or the one that I showed you at 9.5? Don't think we will. That's my view. There's always that key support at 7.5 cents. That's really an important one down here. That's the 0.786 fib level, but I think it's quite unlikely at the moment to get down to that. It's just an impulsive move here within which we are, and we would need to complete that next wave to the upside. And generally, I'm bullish on this project, so can't wait for higher prices. I would expect them. And what else to show you? Just maybe on the weekly, see where we are in terms of being overbought. There is nothing here on the weekly yet. The chart is just too short. And yeah, overall, I just told you the fibs, support, resistance levels, showed you, talked about my expectation. I think it's looking good for Bloktopia. There are a few more partnerships announced. I can only urge you, if you're interested in that project, join their Telegram channel and also join their Twitter. So hopefully you liked that update video. If you did, please smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.